This is the Sound Liberty 79 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. Let's unbox the Sound Liberty 79. Inside the box, we will find the 6 pieces ear tips, a 4 pieces ear hooks, a USB charging cable Type-C, a user guide, and a quick start guide. Also, along with the Sound Liberty 79 earbuds. Sound Liberty 79 has a Bluetooth version 5 with a range of 20 meters. It has a waterproof level of IPX7 in which it can be submerged into water deeper than 1 meter. The playtime is 8 hours, and if you bring the charging case, you will have the 30 hours of playtime. The base is magnetic and has a strong grip on the steels. It is auto turn on once you open the case. It has a built-in noise cancelling technology for clear hands-free calls. It has a smart touch control where you can answer calls and control music. By experience, it is easy to set up, sound quality is great, but the volume is not enough at 80%. The touch controls are too sensitive, and sometimes I am confused because there's no active buttons to press. Just like when you listen to music, be aware that the volume up is at the right side and the volume down is at left side. So you need the both pairs to use it. You also have to memorize the touch sequence in order for you to properly control the earbuds. Another thing is that the earbuds is not properly stays in my ear, so I need to readjust every time. By far, it has an excellent battery life. Music is superb, bass is rich. The only problem I found or I can see is that you have to use it pair or you have to use it in pair because the control volume are different on the left side and on the right side. Also keep in mind that the touch sequences or also keep in mind that the touch sequence are different for calling, answering, and you have to memorize it. Otherwise, you will have the difficulty in using. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.